Hey guys, welcome to the new video. So here we have the Lenovo Yoga Slim 6. This is a 1TB storage variant and it costs 1,32,000 rupees. So coming to the design, this laptop comes up with an aluminum body. It is so thin, light in hand and easy to carry. It weighs about 1.35 kg. So talking about the ports and buttons, it has two Type-C ports and a HDMI port on the left, then a power button, a 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB port on the right. This laptop is provided with a 14-inch OLED display, supports Dolby Vision with 60Hz refresh rate and has a peak brightness of 400 nits. This display produces the colors so accurately while editing or while watching videos. It also has a 1080p webcam with a shutter option to open or close for privacy reasons. This webcam also supports Face ID to unlock the laptop. The sound from this laptop is very good as it supports Dolby Atmos, and the position of the speakers are on both sides of the keyboard on the top so that it produces more clear and louder sound. It has an Intel i7 13700H processor with 4 performance cores and 8 efficient cores, and it is provided with an Intel 13 Gen Evo chipset and Intel Iris Xe graphics. Then it has 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB SSD M.2 which can be upgraded if needed. Coming to the OS, it comes up with Windows 11 Home Edition. Now talking about the performance, this laptop is capable of performing multiple tasks at the same time. It has a Geekbench score of 1594 for single core and 7102 for multi-core. It is also suitable for gaming and for daily usage. So the battery life in this laptop is decent while performing multiple tasks, which is about 4 to 5 hours of battery life, and in general usage it gives about 9 to 10 hours of standard battery life. This laptop has a 65 watt battery and is provided with a 65 watt brick with a Type-C charging cable. So that's been it. Thanks for watching. Catch you up in the next video.